Want to take a closer look at this elite glass house? Then watch this video. Hello, welcome to Gwynny Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews just like this video. Now today I'm going to be talking about this elite glass house. It's a supreme edition or the model. This was put up just a few weeks ago and I'm going to show you the best features and what I like about it. So a bit about this glass house. We ordered this glass house through a local garden centre up in Ceredigion, and we got the measurements and we ordered the glass house, and it's a 14 foot by 10 foot. Now we dug in the footings and put the first 2 layers of bricks in. We did that ourselves here, and the garden centre then, they came and assembled the glass house, and I've got to say they've done a fantastic job of it. So everything's looking a bit raw at the minute. We're in the early stages of getting this garden going, and I just want to say what I like about this glass house. Now what's great about this glass house is you've got this big double door. Now this is wide enough, get a wheelbarrow in here, carry bags of compost in here, it's no problem. She's fantastic, and she even closes really good. How smooth that is. And this even comes with a key and lock, so you can stop your next door neighbour stealing your veg. Now if we look at this glass, it doesn't look like normal glass, and it's not. When we bought this, we went for a little bit of an upgrade. We bought the hardened glass or the toughened glass. So it's the same kind of glass that's in your car or on diggers, tractors, etc. If something were to break this, it goes into a million small pieces and shatters straight away. But it's a harder glass. You can take more of an impact before breaking, and the main reason for that is we've got 2 young kids on the farm here, and you know how they are, kicking the ball, throwing stuff around. Normal glass will break and go into large chunks, like triangle blade type pieces of glass, and that's really dangerous, and we didn't want that here at all, so we went for the toughened glass, and that's a much better product. Now another great feature on this glass house, we've got this built-in water gutter that you can connect your pipe up to and harvest the water. Now we haven't utilised the water here yet, but the idea is we're going to put a big water bowser, or not quite a bowser, big water butt or a drum, whatever you want to call it, connect the 2 sides into it and have that quite high enough that you've got enough pressure to use the hose pipe with this. You can water all the raised beds or water inside the glass house, and our water's free. Right, now we're inside, and you can see we've fitted up ours with a raised bed. Obviously this is soil underneath, we've just got concrete around the footings, so we've utilised the glass house like this. Now depending on the type of system you're going for, you can put a slab the whole area, put a concrete slab in, shelves everywhere, and grow like that in bags, etc. We've opted for growing in a raised bed in here, and it works out quite well. Now what you notice here looking inside is how strong the glass house is. Look at all the strengthening aluminium they've put in on every post. It's got a bar coming that way and on the top to harden, strengthen the glass house up, so it doesn't matter how much snow you're going to get on this in the winter, it's not going to buckle because this is supported fantastically. The aluminium is really thick and that's going to hold some weight, and in here, West Wales where we live here, we get a lot of wind, a lot of rain in the winter, and this is definitely built strong enough. And another way they've strengthened that from the wind especially is with these bars that they've tied in that post and then back, and they've done that right across the glass house, so it's super strong. Now another thing you get with the Supreme glass house is this back shelf that comes as standard. That's super handy. It's pretty much 9 foot in length, pretty much covering the whole pine end of the glass house, and you've got ample storage there for shelves, and that's a freebie with the glass house. Whether they're still doing that now, but when we bought this, that was part of the deal. Now, one of the best features about this glass house is you've got 4 roof windows with this, and we opted for an optional extra to get the automatic opening and closing roof windows. So as you can see there, this window is closing at the minute. It's late evening, it's starting to cool down, and this opens and closes automatically, so it regulates the heat of the glass house, and it's really clever how that works. There's no electric, there's no fancy mechanism in there. That long black tube you can see on the bottom there, that's filled with wax, and there is an adjustment on it, and as the glass house heats up, the wax expands, and then that opens the window. Very, very clever stuff, but I'd highly recommend getting that optional extra and getting that fitted to your glass house, because if you leave early in the morning, you forgot to open the door, you run the risk of killing everything in the glass house. With these top windows, they will open and close and keep the temperature of the glass house at round about, we set it round about 25 degrees. It does get up to about 30 when the sun is really, really hot, but it never gets warmer than that because the windows, they let the warm air out and regulate the heat. Well, that's the glass house, and you've seen all its features, and I've got to say it is a fantastic glass house. The engineering in this is second to none, and the glass house company, or the Gansen that built the glass house for us, they did a fantastic job. Everything works perfect, just like it should, and the veg is growing really well here because they've only been in here for a couple of weeks, and that's spot on. So no surprise, would I recommend buying an Elite glass house? Yes, I would. Elite hasn't paid me to do this video, this is a part of the review that's on the YouTube channel. I've got to say, this is pretty much one of the strongest, if not the strongest, glass house of this size and spec that I have ever seen. The way they've strutted and supported the glass, the frame, they've gone all out. It's over engineered, and that's exactly what you want in a glass house. So this is a big thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. Now, if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you're notified when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.